Back to back like the Drake song, finally made it back to the Hood Real Estate Guide, where we show you how to turn these houses into cash. Real one salute. This video is about the after repair value, aka the finished crib price. This is the fourth step in the wholesale process. If you missed our first 3 videos about the wholesaling process, make sure you check them out. If you're a baby to the wholesale game, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive our videos on the complete process of wholesaling. Let's get to hustling. Simply put, the after repair value is the final price of a fixed up home. We need to know the after repair value to calculate the largest offer we can give on the house. For example, if a Bentley costs $200,000 brand new, but you found somebody selling the used, you wouldn't offer them $200,000. You would probably start somewhere around $140,000, but you wouldn't know to start bidding at $140,000 if you didn't figure out that the price of a brand new Bentley is $200K. The after repair value is the first number in our maximum offer formula. The way we figure out the after repair value is by comparing homes, which in the real estate world is called comps. We will be breaking down comps, aka what they selling for in the hood, in the next video. So let's recap. The after repair value is the final price of a fixed up home. We need to know this value to calculate our max offer for the property. We'll figure out the average repair value by comparing homes, which we will break down in the next video. Is the after repair concept too hard to understand? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you found this information useful. In our next video, we will be covering comparing homes, aka comps, aka what they selling for in the hood. But until next time, this is your Hood Real Estate Guide.